Hi, my name is Ivy Kathambi. I am a customer success specialist, and in this video, I'll guide you through how to create your account on KiliMax. So getting started with a new system can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to begin or what information is required. Allow me to walk you through the overview of setting up your KiliMax account so you can get up and running quickly and start managing your business with ease. Let's get started. So you start in by going to your web browser, your preferred web browser, and then typing in KiliMax ERP. Then it will bring you directly to our company's website. So once you're in our company's website, you click on the sign in button and then you sign up now. So it will ask you some questions like what is your company name, assuming it's Ivory Trading or Ivory Limited. Enter the email is ivory@gmail.com. The phone number you always start with 7. Then once you read our terms of use and privacy policies, you check our box and create an account. Good. Then you enter your name, assuming my name is John Wambugo. Then my role is I'm the owner of the company. So you'll select your role on the drop-down list. Then say next. Where is my business located? My business is located in Kenya. What does my business do? So you select on the list what your business does. So for this, I can say I deal with automotive and auto parts. How many employees do I have? I have 1 to 5 employees. What business challenge would you like to solve? So you select the business challenge that you would actually want to address, and that's why you are interested in purchasing KiliMax. What system are you currently using? If you're using another ERP or an accounting software or an Excel, you choose as per what you're currently using. So for now, I'll choose Excel because that is what my business entails. And I'll say complete setup. Then I navigate to KiliMax ERP. So this will bring me to my home page. And in my home page, I'll be able to see all the modules that I'll be dealing with on a day-to-day basis. I'll be able to see the dashboard, and this will give me the sales order insights, the invoices insight, inventory insights. I can be able to see my sales overview. I can be able to have a stock summary, pending orders, etc. So you can always customize out this layout. Assuming you want this widget to appear on top, you can always move it like that. If you don't want to see some widgets, you can always select widgets and remove the ones that you don't want to appear on the home page. And then one thing with our system, you can also customize our theme. If you don't like the green background, you can choose the orange, you can choose the red. Depending on the background that seems fit for you, you can always choose a different background depending with your liking. And then our system has the business flow that tells you how a product moves right from the supplier to how a purchase order is created, to how you receive stocks in case of any returns, how you return the products, how you generate vendor credits, how you generate a bill, and how the bills are paid. It also has the sales flow, how you create a customer, to how you create the sales order, so on and so forth. So it has just like a flow chart of how the business operates. If you navigate to the settings button, you can be able to create new companies. Assuming you have different companies, you can be able to create new companies. You can be able to set up roles, and this is in terms of your employees. For example, you have salespeople, you have accountants, you have a logistics team. You select the preferences that you want each user or each employee to be able to view. Once you have created the roles, you go ahead and create the users. Now the specific accountant, the specific salesperson, and you assign them the specific roles. In system settings, we have preferences where you can add the company logo. You can choose the language that you want to engage in, the format. This is in terms of number series, the decimal places, if you want them in 0 decimal places or 2. This is just your preference as a person. And then in basic info, you can be able to enable tax rates if you want your prices to be tax inclusive. If you want to set up a default purchase tax rate and a default sales tax rate, it is entirely up to your preferences, as the name suggests. Then if you have multiple currencies. If you engage in multiple currencies, you can go ahead and enable the currencies, and then you can be able to navigate in the different currencies. For the print templates, this is how you want your documents to appear. For example, you have your invoices. What do I want to appear in my invoice? So you can edit whatever you want to appear on your invoices, right? Then our system has integrations where you can integrate with payments, M-Pesa and MTN for West African countries. So once you have your push, you can be able to insert the pay bill number, and you can always give the customer the SDK pushes. So when I navigate back to my ERP, I have introduced quite a number of things. So if you have many companies, they'll always appear as a drop down there, but since for now it's only Ivory Limited, that is what you will be displaying. And that's how easy it is to create your KiliMax account and get started. Once your account is set up, you're ready to begin managing your business more efficiently. If you'd like to explore this further, book a demo or get in touch. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.